review. We are still continuing that. So revising the 6th grade financial literacy has become a very important topic, right? So what all we should know about the financial literacy? First thing is you should know about all the credit card, debit card, scholarship grant, and because if you have to go for a college, okay, and college you need money for the college fees, right? So what kind of money you can have? Either you can save it, right? You can save it for example, if you are saving it from past 5 years or 6 years, and your bank account has your money. So if, for example, if you are saving $1,000 per year, okay, so after 5 years you will have $5,000 saving, right, for your college.
Yeah.
Right? And fees for your college depend college to college. So we are not going to talk about that, how much fees, but for right now we know that 5,000 you have in your saving account, right? This is your account, right? This is your money. So take out your money from the bank. Do you need credit card or debit card?
If you take out your own money, you need a debit card.
You need a debit card. When you need credit card. Now what is the difference between debit card and credit card?
Credit card is your own money, and
No.
debit card is your own money, and credit card is the bank's money that you're loaning.
Okay, so one thing again I want to clear it right now. Credit card means the money you take from anyone, and the one who lends you money is a lender, right? It can be any financial institute, including bank. So it's not that only bank can provide you money, right?
Yeah.
Any financial institute who lends money become the lender of the money, right?
Yeah.
So when you take loan from any financial institute, that is where you can use the credit card given from the bank, right? So credit card will have some penalty also if you don't pay it on time, right? So it decides from the bank, right? It depends institute to institute how much they want to charge if there is a penalty. So you pay fees for the credit card, you pay penalty only if you are not able to pay on time. To take out so how the credit limit has been decided by the time when you take a credit or you take a loan from a lender and you pay it on time, that's how you start building your credit score. And that credit score decide the limit of credit you are going to get it from the financial institute. And to take that credit, you are taking that amount as a loan, right? And that you use a credit card for it. And debit card is your own money, which is in the bank, you are saving it. For that you don't need any credit card. And so there how you pay when you go out and you buy anything, how you pay. Either you can pay by cash, either you can pay by check or credit card or debit card, right? So there are 4 ways to pay anywhere you, so check will take some time. You write the check, right? And it depends on the bank, they might have some fees for clearing that check or issuing money out of that check written, right?
Yeah.
So it depends bank to bank. So you will have check and you will have credit card, you will have debit card and you will have cash. Cash instant money, right? But debit card you use a bank.
Yeah.
So you take your own money from the bank and you use the credit card, debit card.
Yeah,
Credit card you use the loan. It is like a loan. So this is all the way to use the money. Now when you are going to a college and you already have 5,000 saving, but you need at least 40,000 for 1 year, right? But you only have 5,000. So what are the ways to get money? You can get scholarship. So if you are applying for a financial aid and you are getting a scholarship and grant from the federal government or any state government. So if you are getting any financial help from the government and that is like kind of grant, you don't have to pay that back. So scholarships you don't pay back.
Okay.
But if there lending you money as a loan that you have to pay back, and there will be some kind of interest on that. That's where simple interest comes. Okay, so simple interest is equal to the principal, the amount you initially start with, times the rate of interest they decide, and time of year they decide, right?
Yeah.
So actually this R is divided by 100 all the time, rate of interest. For example, if it is 5% of rate, you write it 5 by 100 or 0.05. Okay?
Yeah.
For example, if somebody give you $1,000,
Yeah.
right? And they say the rate of interest is 2%, 2% for 5 years. So how much interest you are going to how much interest are you going to pay after 5 years? Okay, so 1000 multiplied by 0.02. 2% is
0.02.
multiplied by 5.
5.
So whatever answer is this is your interest after 5 years. So that is, we are talking about the interest. But then how much amount? Amount is normally principal plus interest when you are getting the interest. Okay? So this is what it is. So let's talk about financial literacy more in the next part. Bye for now.